In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix SEO Settings 2026 step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the key tools in Wix and how to set them up so search engines can understand and showcase your site. First, sign in to your Wix account and open your site's main dashboard. On the left side, you'll see a vertical menu. Click Marketing and SEO to open the central hub for your optimization work. This keeps everything you need in one place so you don't have to jump around the interface. Inside that hub, go to SEO and Geo. This section brings together your search engine optimization tools and your location settings. It's where you shape how your site appears in search and which regions and audiences are most likely to see it. Next, launch the guided setup by clicking Start Setup. Wix will walk you through a series of prompts that clarify the essentials search engines look for. The flow is straightforward and you can pause at any point because Wix saves your progress automatically. When the setup asks for page titles and meta descriptions, write your page titles in natural language and place your primary keyword near the beginning. Keep titles concise and meaningful so they read well on results pages. For meta descriptions, summarize the page's value in 1 or 2 friendly, action-oriented sentences. Aim for clear benefits and a natural tone that invites a click without sounding salesy or stuffed with keywords. Now, refine the on-page elements. Make sure every page has a single H1 heading that clearly matches the page topic. This helps both visitors and search engines understand the main focus of the page. Add descriptive alt text to your images so their purpose is clear even if the image can't load. Describe what's in the image and how it relates to the page content. Finally, confirm that indexing is enabled. If indexing is turned off, your pages won't be eligible to appear in search results. So keep that switch on unless a page is intentionally hidden. If your business serves specific areas, confirm your location and audience details. Choose the correct business category, add your physical location if applicable, and select your target regions. Accurate information helps search engines match your site to the most relevant local and regional searches. To wrap up,